The essential question today is how can I use something called the discriminant to help me determine the number of solutions in a quadratic equation? So how can I use the discriminant to determine the number of solutions in a quadratic equation? In the last lesson, we talked about the quadratic formula. The part of the quadratic formula that's under the radical, b squared minus 4ac, is called the discriminant. The discriminant actually tells you how many solutions a quadratic equation has. If the answer to b squared minus 4ac is positive, the equation has two real solutions. If the solution to b squared minus 4ac is 0, then the equation has one real solution. If b squared minus 4ac is negative, the equation has no real solutions. Remember that no real solutions means it does not cross the x-axis. So let's take a look at this. The first thing I'm going to do with these problems is identify A, B, and C. A equals 1, B equals negative 2, C equals negative 9. So my discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So that's going to be negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 9. Let's put that in our calculator. Alrighty, parentheses, negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 9, enter, positive 40. So this is a positive value. That means two real roots, or two real solutions. Let's look at the next problem. Our value for A is 1. For B, it's negative 8. And for C, it's 16. So our formula is b squared minus 4ac. It's going to be negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16. Go to that graphing calculator. Negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16. Whoops. Delete. Got too many sixes there. Enter. 0. A discriminant of 0 means one real root. That means the vertex is sitting on the x-axis. Okay, let's look at our next one. A equals negative 1, B equals negative 5, C equals negative 9. B squared minus 4ac. Negative 5 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 9. Go to our calculator. Negative 5 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 9. Negative 11. No real roots. Remember, in the quadratic formula, this would be under the radical sign, and we can't take the square root of a negative number. So this never crosses the x-axis. Last one. I need to move the 5 to the other side before I can start. Remember, this has to equal 0. So negative 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. A equals negative 3, B equals 4, C equals negative 5. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So 4 squared minus 4 times negative 3 times negative 5. Alrighty. 4 squared minus 4 times negative 3 times negative 5. Negative 44. No real roots. This never crosses the x-axis. Okay, you need a summary and at least one question.